Logan with Grayman Racing, and you're about to watch another Motorsports Minute video, brought to you by, of course, Motorsports Minute. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Hey, it's Logan with Grayman Racing. So we're working on the Roadmaster today, and I'm going to put a cup holder on because I'm lazy and because it's nice to have a cold drink while you're riding. So I've read over the instructions, and there's a number of inaccuracies, which is extra lovely. There's no longer a horseshoe clip. There's no longer a... it says these are T30 Torex. They're not. They're Allen keys. So I'm just going to start by just putting the rubber gasket in here into the cup holder itself. I removed all the foam that comes with it and all the little baggies full of doodads. So what we're going to do first is actually, here's the bracket. This adjust. They say it's a 5.5 to remove these. That's a 6 on the other. We're about to find out. It is not a 5.5. Let me guess, it's probably a straight up 5. Now, I will likely be changing this, transferring this from this bike to my Challenger when I pick the Challenger up. But for now, I'm riding this summer, so I don't want my drink this summer. It's dead. So what you're supposed to do is set these aside. Then you take these two. The 5 mil, or no, 4 mil. Okay. They changed to 4 mil. Are they actually 4 mil? They are. Okay, good. So I'll take these 4 mil. Snap this there so I'll lose it. Take the plate. And the unfortunate thing is this thing's all chromed. I might strip it and have it powder coated black because everything likes to light me up. So we go like this. So 4 mil screw, 4 mil screw, spacer, spacer, cap, cap, now it says to snug the top one first in the instructions, so make sure I got that in the spot I need it. It says 7.9 Newton meters or 70 inch pounds. So that just translates to a good snug. Nothing moves. It's all good in there. You don't even touch it. Good, it's all good in place. We're like 90% done now. Now, the next steps, it mentions a horseshoe clip. It's supposed to go in here. But, yeah, I don't think that's quite so applicable. Screw and grommet. Why does it... Mount the cup holder via its slot. Ensure a proper fit by checking the cup holder wall is secured between the button head screw and the mount stud. See figure 4. It's lost its case. Picking mine. So button head screw. This spacer has a round side and an oval side. And you want the oval side right there against that. So it can't rotate. This can't rotate. Then you take this lovely adventure, you stick it in here. And they're suggesting you use a 14 mil socket to do this, but as you can see, that's not going to work very well. So I actually got a 14 mil wrench. Now, your next question is, do you make it level to the ground or do you make it level to the bike? My bike's sitting on a lean, so I'm going to try and keep it level to the bike. I could still wiggle its way out, maybe. Maybe that's what the horseshoe clip's there for, is just having wiggle its way out. But if you got something in there, even if you hit a bump, it's not get good, it's not going anywhere. Why they decided to do that instead of just a freaking screw hole, I'll never know. If you're really concerned, just put a bolt in the bottom. It can't go anywhere. I'm not really worried about it. I'm gonna put the plate, the foam plate back in, and the other foamy stuff.